It's very rare that we can catch up the big cruise ship. The last time we saw cruise ship dock, remember that go around the
Yeah.
that was last year, and now this another one. Look at that.
Yeah. If they should really get opposite those trees. They should stop and turn around with two engines, one going one way and one going the other way, and it goes on its own power, turns around and back into one of those slips. Boy, that's a monster.
Yeah, the big ship.
You think I could get in our backyard?
I don't have to answer that.
I don't think so.
No.
The whole Blair. Nice.
No, it's slowing down. You're looking